There's still definition. Oh wow, my hair is still soft. It already like I'm detangling my hair. Cut a small, see this, a few. Hello once again, guys. I've been delaying this wash day for the longest time. I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, and I've never really actually stayed for more than a week without washing my hair. But honestly, I thought that it was going to be difficult for me to stay without washing my hair for 2 weeks, but apparently my scalp is okay. Well, I have a bit of flakes because my scalp dries a lot. So, yeah. Apart from that, everything else is okay. And my hair is always moisturized, and as you can see, I just left it like this after I rocked my braid out for 2 days. And yeah, so what I want to do right now is to prepoo with flaxseed gel, which is my favorite, to be honest. Oh wow. But on the bright side, my hair is not dry. Oh my god, guys, look. There's still definition. Oh wow, my hair is still soft. So if you want to see how I remoisturize my hair, I'm going to link that video at the top of your screen or in the description box. I hope I'm going to remember to put it there so that you can see how I get to achieve really soft hair. And well, just ignore the flakes, but just look at how, wow, look at that, look at the ends. To be honest, guys, my hair is getting better and better every single day. Just ignore the flakes, please. Ignore the flakes. I just wanted you to see how soft my hair is. My hair isn't that bad, to be honest. But my scalp needs some self-care, and I really need to make sure that my scalp is okay, because if your scalp is not healthy, you're not going to grow healthy hair. Yeah, so you need to make sure that your scalp is always healthy. As always, I'm using flaxseed gel. So this is what I have right now. And you know what I did? I actually boiled the flaxseed gel with rosemary. I kept this in the fridge for a few days and it's super cold. It's really cold, but it's still okay. It's really light already, like. So what I want to do is to part my hair in smaller sections so that I can be able to use the flaxseed gel. And I'm going to use that as a prepoo, then I go and wash my hair. Yeah. So the first step when it comes to preparing your hair, you need to make sure that you spritz your hair with some water so that it can be easier for you to apply whichever product that you're using. So by now you all know I'm super in love with this flaxseed gel. It's actually the best thing that has ever happened to my hair. And thank you guys so much for every one of you who have been suggesting that I try flaxseed gel, because it has been a real game changer for my natural hair. So this is going to help with detangling, and it's going to be much easier for you to remove the shaded hair without breaking your hair. So I've been breaking my hair a lot, especially during my wash days. I've been breaking all that length that I've been growing throughout the week and throughout the month. And so implementing this in my routine, this prepoo, this flaxseed gel, has really solved all the problems that I had when it comes to my natural hair, especially breakage. One thing that I noticed, it has cut my wash day in half, because I'm not detangling in the bathroom when I'm washing my hair. So this is the only time I'm detangling my hair. And to be honest, it has really helped me so much. So you really need to try this out. So as you can see, the detangling is much simpler, much easier, and the comb is just gliding through. To be honest, you don't even need a comb, but honestly, I'm trying to get rid of this comb, but I don't know why I can't detangle my hair without a comb. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing this entire time. I'm just applying the flaxseed gel, and then afterwards I'm going to put my hair in a plastic cup, then stay in my steaming cup for around 30 to 40 minutes, I guess. I don't remember really well, but yeah, that's all I have to do, and then start my wash day routine. So I just stayed in my steaming cup for 30 minutes, and now what I want to do is to wash my hair. So, well, I decided to try something different. So I'm not going to use shampoo, but I'm going to be using black soap. So, by the way, I've been using black soap on my face, and honestly speaking, I can see the glow. So I just cut a small piece. So this is what I'm going to be using on my hair, and I don't think I'm going to record myself washing my hair, but we'll see. We'll see if I'm going to show myself. So after washing my hair with the black soap, then I'm going to go and deep condition my hair. I'm going to be using, okay, I'll just show you the product that I'm going to be using to deep condition my hair. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be adding a few drops of argan oil and amla oil to my deep conditioner because I want it to have more moisturizing effects. Yes, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And then after that, I'm just going to prep my hair and braid it. Yeah, until it dries. I'm just going to show you guys everything that I'm doing. I'm just going to give you a few snippets of that. So yeah, let me just go and wash my hair really quickly, and let's see if I'm going to show you guys myself washing my hair. Yeah, so keep on watching. Oh, and if you haven't yet, kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below. Tell me what you think and tell me what your wash day routines are like. Yeah, so and the products that you use. And if you haven't yet, kindly join me in the length retention challenge. Right now, I'm in the length retention challenge, and I'm working on growing my hair to waist length. And so I started this length retention challenge that you should all be joining me by now, because we're supposed to be growing our hair together. So yeah, let me just go wash my hair really quickly. I just finished washing my hair with African black soap. I haven't even applied any conditioner. So what I want to do is, I have rose water here. Yeah, this is rose water, and I want to spritz it all over my hair because the African black soap is very alkaline, so I have to make sure that I neutralize my hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to write all the information down so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the conditioner that I'll be using. This is from TCB Naturals. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so this is from TCB Naturals. As you can see, I've already used it. I used it once. Now I'm going to use this again. But I'm going to be adding argan oil. So this is argan oil. Wow. So this is argan oil, and I'm also using amla oil. It's almost finished, but yeah, I'll be mixing it with my deep conditioner so that I can be able to apply it on my hair and deep condition my hair. So this is my hair after washing it using the black soap. It's really frizzy, but it feels super clean. Like, it feels really clean. I don't actually feel like it's dripping, because people have been saying that black soap is dripping, but to be honest, I don't feel that drippingness that people are talking about. But anyway, I'm going to be pouring this here. It smells so nice. So this is what I'm going to be. I'm not going to put a lot. So this is, oh my god, So this is what I'm going to be spritzing my hair with before I apply my deep conditioner. Also, if you have low porosity hair, I'd advise you to make sure that you remove the excess. Water from your hair before applying your deep conditioner. Just apply your deep conditioner on damp hair. It's going to help with absorption. It's going to absorb it really well. So first of all, what I'm doing is I'm just spritzing a bit. Just a bit, not going to be spritzing a lot.
All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that.
I think that's enough. This actually makes the hair feel soft. And of course, as always, I'm going to rate all the benefits of every single product that I'm using. Yeah. So I just poured my deep conditioner on this cup. So I just poured my deep conditioner here, and then I'm going to add a few, not a few, but just maybe just say a tablespoon of amla oil, and then a tablespoon of, okay, no, half a teaspoon of argan oil, because argan oil a little goes a long way. So, and it's super expensive, so of course I'm not going to use a lot. There. So I'm going to mix this, then I'm going to apply it on my hair. So I'm mixing it with my fingers because of course I'm going to be applying this deep conditioner on my hair using my fingers. So I'm doing this because, you know, most of the deep conditioners are not moisturizing enough. They don't have enough oils and butters in them. That's why I add my oils to them, so that it can help with moisturizing. So if your deep conditioner doesn't feel moisturizing, just add a few drops of your favorite oils, and then that's it. Also, spritzing my hair with rose water. I realized that when I spritz my hair with rose water, it makes it really soft and more manageable, because you know, after washing with a black soap, it can feel a little bit frizzy and stiff. So it's just like what happens with every other shampoo. When you're shampooing your hair, if you don't condition your hair, if you don't use conditioner in your hair is going to feel stiff, and it's going to be hard for you to work with it. That's why I'm spritzing my rose water, because I did not use any conditioner. But if you have any conditioner, you can just use it. So I'm going to be applying this from my ends to the roots. So this is how I actually apply my deep conditioner. I don't really have a technique. I just make sure that every single strand is coated really well. Oh, and by the way, never apply your deep conditioners or your conditioners on your scalp. It's going to cause lots of buildups. So just avoid them getting to your scalp.
I guess you're back.
So I just finished applying the deep conditioner on my hair. Now I'm going to sit in my steaming cup for just 20 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to just rinse it out and then start moisturizing my hair. So that's all I have to do. And yeah, please get you some rose water, guys, because rose water is really, really amazing. And yeah, so that's all I have to do. I'm going to stay in my steaming cup. Oh, and I'm also going to be spritzing the remaining rose water on my scalp. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I have to do. So I'm going to spritz this on my scalp and then stay in my steaming cup for just 20 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. Night's moisturizing time. As you can see, all you need is a leave-in. I'm using argan oil as a sealant and also shea butter, and I'm also using just a little bit of the rose water that remained. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And before I apply any kind of product to my hair, I make sure that I dry my hair using a cotton t-shirt or this cup that I'm using, because you need to remove the excess water so that you can be able to moisturize your hair really well. As for this argan oil, I'm just using 4 drops in each section. Yeah, because a little bit goes a long way. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm using the oil to seal at the end because one of you suggested that I should do this, and it has really helped me a lot. And now at the ends, I'm just applying shea butter, and then I twist the ends because you need to make sure that the ends are well lubricated and they are well moisturized so that you can avoid getting single strand knots. So after twisting the ends, the next thing I'm going to do is to just wrap the ends around the braid. I'm not forming a bantu knot, but I'm just wrapping it around so that I can be able to stretch the ends. This way it's going to avoid getting tangled and shrinking. Yeah, but you can also use the flaxseed gel. It's actually something that I want to start implementing on my routine, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to make a video on that. And yeah, my cat is always there. And this is the final look. Yeah, so I'm going to be staying like this for the entire week until my next wash day. As you can see, the braids are very, very moisturized. My hair is moisturized. My scalp is super, super clean. And yeah, so that's how I moisturize my hair. That's my wash day routine. That's everything, guys. So that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.